Welcome to Shop USA Deals, your trusted guide to the best fitness gear on Amazon. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 dumbbells that can take your workouts to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or training hard, stay tuned to find the perfect fit for your fitness goals. We have included links in the description. Number 1. CAP Barbell 150lb Coated Hex Dumbbell Weight Set with Vertical Rack, Multiple Options. The CAP Barbell 150lb Coated Hex Dumbbell Set offers a complete strength training solution for home fitness enthusiasts who want quality, organization, and versatility. This set includes 5 pairs of dumbbells in 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 pounds, totaling 150 pounds, along with a space-saving vertical rack that fits neatly in most rooms without taking up much floor space. Each dumbbell is constructed with solid cast iron and coated in rubber, which protects flooring, reduces noise, and extends durability over years of their routines. It's perfect for full-body workouts, circuit training, or progressive overload. For those who value simplicity and a grab-and-go style of training, this set removes the need to manually adjust weights between movements. The separate dumbbells are especially helpful in group workout settings or when working with a trainer, as transitions between exercises are quick and seamless. Number 2. Nobel Adjustable Dumbbell Set, 5 to 50 lb or 5 to 80 lb, Easy Twist 2024 to 25 model, all-in-one weight set, pair, for home, original manufacturer. The Nobel Adjustable Dumbbell Set delivers the functionality of an entire rack of weights in one compact and high-tech design. With models ranging from 5 to 50 pounds or 5 to 80 pounds, this all-in-one solution gives you unmatched flexibility for a full-body workout without cluttering your space. Switching weights is fast and intuitive thanks to the Easy Twist handle mechanism. With just a quick turn of the grip, you can select your desired weight in seconds, making it ideal for high-intensity interval training, drop sets, or multi-exercise circuits where speed and convenience matter. Unlike traditional adjustable dumbbells that require you to manually slide plates or use pins, Nobel's mechanism locks weights in place quickly and securely with a satisfying click. Each dumbbell features a knurled, barbell-style handle that offers excellent grip and a more traditional lifting feel compared to rubber or plastic alternatives. The handle's design provides a stable and balanced experience whether you're doing presses, curls, rows, or lunges. The steel plates are compact, keeping the overall size of the dumbbell more similar to fixed-weight dumbbells, which improves control and form during workouts. The 2024-25 model has been updated for improved durability and plate alignment. The construction now includes reinforced locking tabs and a stronger base to enhance long-term performance. Each dumbbell sits on a molded cradle that protects both the plates and your floor, and the cradle itself is low-profile enough to fit under benches or store neatly out of the way. This set is perfect for those who want the benefits of a complete dumbbell collection without the cost or space requirements of owning multiple pairs. Whether you're training in an apartment, garage gym, or office, Nobel offers commercial-level quality in a home-friendly package. Number 3. Amazon Basics Adjustable Dumbbell Hand Weight Set, 38-pound, black. The Amazon Basics Adjustable Dumbbell Set is a compact and affordable option for users who want to start strength training at home without investing in multiple pairs of weights. This 38-pound set includes 2 handles, 4 2.5-pound plates, 4 5-pound plates, and 4 spin-lock collars, giving you full control over how much weight you lift on each arm. The dumbbell bars are made from durable steel with textured grips, allowing for a non-slip hold even when your hands are sweaty. The spin-lock collars screw onto each end securely, keeping the plates tight and in place throughout every movement. They're easy to adjust without tools, so you can quickly add or remove weight between sets without wasting time. This set is ideal for users focused on building strength, toning muscles, or integrating resistance training into their regular workouts. The ability to microload with 2.5-pound increments allows you to make steady progress without risking form breakdown due to large jumps in resistance. Whether you're targeting shoulders, biceps, chest, or back, the setup supports a wide range of free weight exercises. The vinyl-coated plates are designed to be floor-friendly and reduce noise on contact. Their compact shape also keeps the total size of the dumbbells more manageable, which helps when you're working in tight areas like bedrooms or home offices. The overall weight range makes this set great for beginners, as well as more experienced lifters looking to add lighter, high-rep training to their program. Since this set doesn't require a large rack or bench setup, it's perfect for home users who want simplicity and easy storage. When not in use, all components can be packed down into a small corner, under a bed, or in a closet. It's a great solution for renters, students, or anyone working out in a multi-purpose room. Number 4. Rubber encased hex dumbbell, multiple sizes. The rubber encased hex dumbbell is a versatile, no-nonsense training tool available in multiple weight options, designed to suit beginners, intermediate lifters, and advanced athletes alike. These dumbbells are sold individually, so you can build your own custom set to fit your training needs, whether you're targeting full-body workouts or specific muscle groups. Each dumbbell is constructed with a solid cast iron core and encased in high-quality rubber, which minimizes noise, protects your floors, and adds durability over time. The hexagonal shape prevents the dumbbell from rolling, making it safer during floor exercises and easier to store between sets. This feature is particularly useful for dynamic training or home spaces without designated weight racks. The handles are made of contoured chrome with a medium knurl, offering a secure grip without being overly aggressive. Whether you're doing presses, rows, curls, or lunges, the grip remains firm and comfortable, even when your hands get sweaty. The chrome finish resists rust and corrosion, making these dumbbells suitable for both indoor and garage gym environments. Available in sizes from as low as 5 pounds up to 100 pounds or more, these dumbbells let you scale your workouts as your strength improves. You can purchase lighter weights for toning and rehabilitation, mid-range weights for compound lifts, or heavier sizes for strength building and hypertrophy training. These dumbbells are ideal for circuit training, drop sets, supersets, and other styles that benefit from having multiple weights readily available. Because there's no need to adjust plates or mechanisms, you can move quickly between exercises, improving workout efficiency and intensity. They're also great for high-volume training sessions where time between sets is limited. Number 5. Yes, for all old-school adjustable dumbbell set with weight plates, Starlock collars/connector, 40 pounds to 200 pounds adjustable weight plate set. The Yes for all old-school adjustable dumbbell set is a customizable weight system that combines the classic feel of iron with the convenience of multiple weight options in one compact setup. Available in weight ranges from 40 to 200 pounds, this set is ideal for users who want traditional metal dumbbells with adjustable flexibility for progressive strength training. This set includes solid cast iron weight plates, chrome dumbbell handles, Starlock collars, and in larger kits, a connector to transform 2 dumbbells into a barbell-style setup. Each handle has a textured, non-slip grip that provides control during even the most intense sets. The Spinlock star collars thread smoothly and keep the plates secure and rattle-free throughout your movements. You can easily change resistance by adding or removing plates in seconds. This makes it a cost-effective option compared to buying multiple pairs of fixed dumbbells, especially if you train across a wide range of weights. The adjustability also makes it perfect for users with limited space or those who like to work out in different locations. With a variety of combinations available, the set supports both isolation and compound movements. You can go light for curls, raises, and rehab work, or load it up for heavy presses, rows, and squats. The ability to use the connector bar to create a barbell offers even more exercise options like bench presses and deadlifts without investing in a full-size weight set. The cast iron plates are finished in a black paint coating that helps resist rust and adds a rugged, old-school look. They stack tightly and fit securely on the threaded bar, helping to maintain balance and stability during lifts. The collars are reinforced with rubber gaskets that help prevent loosening over time, keeping your setup locked in and focused on performance. Thanks for watching Shop USA Deals. All the featured dumbbells are linked below if you want to check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on top Amazon finds for your fitness journey.